now it's time to do the actual work. You are going to experience the hardest times. Right now, this is going to be probably your biggest urge during No Nut November. And right after that, we're going to get into the first tool that we will use, which is trigger replacements. Now that the flashbacks have started to go away, now you will see something in the world, like, let's say, this perfume, and some type of a trigger in regards to watching porn will flash back into your head. So this won't be like a flashback, like when you close your eyelids and you see porn. It's gonna be like, hey, I see that, and my brain goes to a conclusion that, hey, do you remember when you used to watch this and that? And this is a very, very major way how people start their way down to all the way to relapsing. And this tool helps you to avoid that specifically. So what you do is, you see this, it says Nike. What you do is you think of something else. So this isn't whatever you had in mind, which was the triggering part. This is a perfume, or this looks like a nice painting, a modern painting to me, for example. And so that way, the next time you will look at it, you will get once again this same trigger. But after that, you should always say, hey, do you remember? This looks like that modern painting. And slowly but surely, after 3, 4, 5 tries, you will completely replace the trigger that was based on this into, hey, this looks like a modern painting. That's really cool. That's trigger replacement for you. I hope you will use it every single day. The more you use it, the less triggers you will get, and the easier it will be for you to do No Nut November.